Today at Highridge AI Consulting, we are talking about reputation and reputation management. Um, when you finish off a job with a client, the first thing you should do is ask for a review. That can be a website testimonial, it can be a Google review. So it's good to strike when you have just completed. If you've done a good job, it's great to get the feedback from the client so you can share this as a case study and so on. So it's self-promotion in a certain way. So what we're going to do here is we're going to send an email and we're going to receive a blanketed templated response. And what will happen over the course of the next few days, we'll introduce some other examples. So keep an eye out for the next video. So let's send off this test email. So we're saying that the job is now complete. Let's send this in. So we'll keep an eye on Gmail. Gmail acts as the trigger here. So when an email lands, it's watching for it, and then it will automatically send out your response. So we're just waiting for that to come in. Okay, and the response should kick back out into Outlook, which is where the original mail comes from. So let's run this now and wait for the email to come into Outlook. All right, here we go. So there's the auto email. So you can craft this, you can craft the template however you want it. So hi Keith Donoghue, thanks for confirming project is complete. If you have a moment, we would love a short testimonial for our website. So this is a simple way just to catch a client when you have done a good job. So you can get your testimonial. It's quite simple build, but if you have any other ideas for builds, let me know. We will continue this series. We're going to be looking at sentiment analysis, having the AI writing your review, writing a response to the review. So stay tuned.